Right folks, I'm going to take around this Pasay public market now. Right, first thing I came across, big fish. Chop chop for a big fish. Hey, watch this folks. Come on, chop chop. That's the skills these people have got. They're good, aren't they? There goes the tail. I think that big fish is dead. It's the skulls that you got.
Hi.
Aye. That fish is dead.
What country? What do you do here in Philippines?
Alright, I have vacation.
Okay.
Alright folks.
Filipino good?
Great. I love the Philippines. Come every year.
Love the Philippines.
Look at these skills this girl's got. Get to the UK. Get a lot of money. Thank you. You guys here? Hiya. Oh, you video me?
You gonna win?
Hiya. Look that way. This guy's here. And he's going to do a little truck shop. Nice one. Hiya. Hiya. Hey, so friendly. Not one person's been horrible. That's like the meat shop to my left. Other side's all the seafood.
Hey.
There he is.
Hey.
The best in the market. Alright. Alright. I've got to get my new friend in. Right, your own video, mate. Smile. Well, chop chop. Come on, mate, we're waiting on you. What's that? Chicken feet? Oh my god. Where'll be chicken? Dead. What's he skulls this guy? Look at these two boys. These two guys are good. They're the best.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers. Thanks, boys. What was that? No, I don't really eat fish. She's surprised because I don't eat fish. No, not really.
Maybe you have a friend.
Aye, they don't eat fish either. Thanks. There we go. All the pretty girls. Paganda ka. Yeah, meat on display. Meat everywhere. Wait a minute. This folks. Smell a bit of meat. Wait a minute. Thank you. More chopping skulls. That's folks, look. LCS guy. Chop chop. He's got good skills. That's folks. There's meat everywhere. Right, you're a big fella. You're ready for a bit of chop chop.
Chop chop.
Watch your fingers. Fucking hit me.
Hello guys.
Wait a minute.
Kita yan.
You're a big man, eh? Look at that, look.
Smile. Smile.
Smile.
Smile.
What an amazing market. There we go. There we are. Look, she's hiding, she's a bit shy. The girls here. Doing their work. There's more. Chop chop. There we are. Got a chop chop. They're a big man here. They're a bit bushy, mate.
Your style, your style.
I need a haircut. Nice one. Right folks, I'm going to wrap this video up now. Thanks for watching.